Have you noticed that some time ago BYD added a new feature to the mobile app, at least on iOS, and it's something that actually can completely change how you interact with the car and the remote functions. It provides the fastest and easiest way to do things like turning on the AC. So let's take a look.
The electric seal.
And this new feature is quite well hidden here in the UI, so you need to know to look under this More Functions section here at the bottom of the main page. And there you will find Siri shortcuts. This is Apple's built-in tool in iOS devices that basically let you perform actions using simple voice commands, which you can also customize those voice commands. And now that BYD added this integration to BYD app, it means that you can do quite a lot with these voice commands to run remote functions on the car. And it works so that Siri, which is of course Apple's voice assistant, it hears what you say, it hands the command to the shortcut app, which is also a built-in app by Apple, and then the shortcut app tells the BYD app to perform that action on your car. And what this means in practice is that you can assign quick phrases to the actions you use the most with your BYD Seal or other BYD EV. So if you want to cool down the cabin before you head out, you just speak out the trigger phrase and Siri instantly turns on the AC in the background. So you don't have to be in the BYD mobile app to do it. And you can set up similar shortcuts to quickly check your range or charging status or other things without having to open the BYD app separately. So that is the deal with these Siri shortcuts. And of course, the reason this matters is convenience. So it can be the most convenient and fastest way to precondition the cabin, for example, or check the battery level, because it removes the need to navigate in the phone and open the app. Unless, of course, you happen to hate voice assistants. There are quite many people who hate voice assistants, and it's okay. You can confess here in the comment section if you are one of those people. And I don't blame you. The voice assistants are annoying occasionally. But anyway, let's give this a proper try now and see how these voice commands really work and how the car reacts to them when I say these commands aloud. But before we do that, actually, let's drag these Siri shortcuts out of this More Functions section to the main page so that it's easier to access. So now it's part of the main view here, and so I won't forget that it exists. But now opening these Siri shortcuts, and by default everything is disabled, but you can enable them easily here one by one. It's just a couple of taps each, and I think there is in total some dozen or a bit over a dozen of these voice commands at the moment in vehicle control and information query. So to enable these, you just click the plus icon and then done button here and go this through one by one, enable everything that you want. And it seems that after each setting change, the app gives this reminder or tip to disable the password for kind of smoother user experience. And of course that is up to you if you want to disable the password. But if you decide to do that and tap this go to disable, it goes to the BYD app settings, and here you're able to set this setting off so that the Siri shortcuts also don't require the password. So that definitely can improve the user experience if you are otherwise fine with disabling the password. And now when you have it set it up, then wherever you are in the phone, you don't have to have the BYD app open. You can say these commands like, "Hey Siri, doors locked." Door locked. "Hey Siri, doors unlocked." So there you also saw the drawback of the Siri. So you need to say the command exactly like it's defined. So I said doors locked. I didn't understand it. It was supposed to be door locked. So that's kind of a shame. But you can also customize the command. So here where you enable the command, there is this change voice phrase link. And when you tap it, you can then type or say your custom command. So for example, here turning the AC on, that could be seal is hot. So that's a little more fun and custom way to say it. So let's try that one. Hey Siri, seal is hot. Okay, so it's done. Let's check the app. What does it say now? Just to verify that the AC is running. Yes, the AC is on. And we can also see that the car is not locked at the moment, so we can say, hey Siri, door locked. Door locked. And it's done. So basically now when we update the app status, yeah, now you saw that the message disappeared, so the car is locked now. Let's define a custom phrase for this locking command, and you can do this by voice as well. Lock the seal. Lock the seal. Oh, pardon my French. Lock the seal. 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 Thank you.
Lock the seal. Lock the seal. Oh, pardon my French. Lock the seal. 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 Thank you.
All right, that was interesting. Even though these voice commands are nice to have and it's nice that you can customize things, I think next time I will use the type in method of changing this phrase instead of the voice. But definitely you can tell that the Siri is not exactly the state of the art when it comes to the voice assistance and kind of picking the intention of the user. I don't know if there's something better on Android side. Please Android users comment if the BYD app includes integration to voice assistants on Android. And this is also a quick way to check the vehicle status. For example, range, charging, location, tire pressures. So, hey Siri, vehicle position. And now you can see it doesn't even have to open the BYD app. It shows this vehicle location in this kind of widget format, which is quite nice and fast way to access the information. Hey Siri, range. And again, this nice range widget. Hey Siri, charging status. I'm not charging at the moment, so we don't see any status here regarding charging, but it would show charging power and time and those type of details. Hey Siri, tire pressures. Tire pressure. Hey Siri, vehicle status. Yep. Hey Siri, doors locked. Yeah, that was the custom one. Hey Siri, lock the seal. Hey Siri, vehicle status. It's interesting. It still shows that the doors would be open. We need to investigate this now. Let's check the BYD app. What does it say? Yeah, it does say the same thing. Hey Siri, lock the seal. It confirms that it is done. Now let's see. Yep. Hey Siri, vehicle status. Okay, now it works as expected. Okay, so this was Apple Siri shortcuts, and I think despite a few drawbacks, this is pretty handy to have. And if you like using voice assistants, and if it's natural for you to use voice assistants, this can provide the most convenient way to trigger the car remote functions. And yeah, please let me know in the comments, have you tried this feature? Would you be using it in the future? And also Android users, is there similar at the moment available in the Android app for BYD? And as usual, if you like this type of content, if you found it useful, please use those like, comment and subscribe functions. And I'll catch you in the next one.